how to make a black hair for any of your CC4 avatar. Just for example, the CC4 Camilla, it already have a hair. I just want to make her to have a black hair. To make a black hair, just go to the hair, the hair part. Now I already selected it, the side part. Right, from here the scene already selected. Now you can see you have a sculpt and you have a hair. The base color is missing. So what about if I change the diffuse color? Will it follow to change? I just drag here. Yes, it still can change. Just drag it down. It is quite easy. If you just want to use this black hair just in iClone or just in CC4. If you want to bring it to other software, then you need to add a base color, the texture. You can just simply add any color for the base color. So to just make it, I will just use the pen. I'm going to use the pen to just go to the view. Here, click the resize under the home, click resize. Pixel, untick the maintain ratio. So here I just put 512 times 512, okay. Then I will just add a random color. I will choose the orange so that later you can change the color again. So I will just click files, save as. Alright, I will just use the white, it's better. File, save as a PNG on my desktop. Now this one I name this as white. Then I replace into the base color. Everything will just go really easy. So now I can change any color. Just now it is white. So to really get it white, you have to just make sure that this one, digital human hair, you change it to traditional, this way. So at this time, you change it to any color, it will show any color. Then you can change the darkness, it can be any color. You can make it black as well if you want. Then adjust this to show. It is really easy. It can be black, it can be any color. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to make a black hair for your CC4 avatar. And it is included if you want to use it, export as FBX and send it to other software like the Unreal Engine, Blender, the diffuse map. You need to edit and make everything easy. Or you can just add any color of the diffuse to just reflect the diffuse on the hair. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to make black hair for your CC4 avatar. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you.